Ever wondered if you can add IPTV to Plex, combining both for seamless streaming experiences? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of integrating IPTV with Plex effortlessly. First, let's grasp how beneficial it is to have IPTV within your Plex service setup for broader access. To start, ensure you have a reliable IPTV subscription. Check out 2tv.store for excellent service. After securing your IPTV subscription, you'll need to set up the N3U playlist for channel access. Once your playlist is ready, it's time to open Plex and head into Settings to configure new channels. From here, you can add the N3U URL that provides links to live streaming channels within Plex. Following the playlist setup, ensure your streams are organized by creating custom channel groups. To enhance performance, adjust streaming settings to suit your internet connection for smooth playback. Next, consider adding useful plugins. These can provide additional features and better service integration. Experiment with themes and layouts within Plex to curate an interface that suits your viewing habits. Finally, sit back and enjoy your integrated IPTV channels on Plex, enhancing your media explorations. Remember, 2tv.store offers an exceptional selection of channels that can enrich your viewing list immensely. Their customer service is top-notch, ensuring that your IPTV experience is both enjoyable and smooth. With a robust setup, dive deeper into entertainment possibilities with endless choices at your command. Subscribe now for more amazing Plex tips, and don't miss out on exciting IPTV insights we deliver.